Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Today I have done this look using the new BYS Rebel range, and I've used this palette and the Satin lipstick in Blue Suede. Palette itself is very pigmented and there's a lot of good colours. There's a bit of kickback on it at the moment, but that's expected. So with the palette, I like it, but I don't like the mirror in it. The mirror is a bit too warped for my liking, but there's always other mirrors out there to use. I do recommend this palette though for the pigmentation of the colours and also the many different looks that you can create with this palette. There's 12 colours overall in the palette. I really love the packaging on this. The studs, it's cute. So if you want to see how I've created this look, then keep watching, and if you like this, then subscribe. So what you want to do first is grab some tape. I'm just using some medical tape for this, and you just want to place it on the corners of your eyes. I find medical tape to be better than using sticky tape because sticky tape is known to pull and can be damaging to the skin, whereas medical tape is used by doctors and after surgeries and is known not to pull or affect the skin badly. But there are a few people that are allergic to medical tape. Okay, so I'm going in with Wild first, and I'm just going to take that all over and above the crease. And if you're wondering what brush this is the Medusa's makeup brush, and it's their contour brush. Okay, I'm just going to wipe that brush off and then go in with Rebel, which is that one. There is a little bit of kickback with this, but the colour's so pigmented anyway that I don't really care. Alright, so with Rebel, I'm just putting that above and blending it through. I really don't like how warped this mirror is because it kind of makes me feel like I'm not doing a great job and that things aren't that even, which I'm hoping they're even because I want to look in this mirror for this video. So we'll see how it goes, but yeah, I'm not a fan of the mirror. Love the eyeshadows though. So after we've applied those, I am going to take some more Wild but mix it with Sexy, which is the one just next to Wild, which is a brown, and just pop that on the outer corners and bring it through a little bit to the crease. So now I'm putting bold here. Just packing that on. Now I'm going to take a bit of Forbidden, the inner corners. And a little bit on the brow bone. And a little bit on the tip of my nose too. Going to take a little bit of Courageous and just put it on the very edges. Also bringing that along the top of the crease a little bit. Then taking a fluffy brush and just buffing along that top line. Just using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. Remove the tape. Now I'm taking Courageous again and just bring that under my eye. Going back in with Wild, I'm putting that right at the start of my eye, on the lower lash line. Now I'm taking my Morphe eyeliner in Darkroom on my waterline. My usual mascara, which is the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. The Double Desire eyelashes from the BYS Rebel range. Taking the Rebel Lip Suede, which is a satin, and it is Blue Suede. Definitely goes with the Rebel look.